I'm Bruce Rosenbaum, Steampunk Reimagineer of ModVic, and today we're at my home, gallery and workshop, Steampunk Wonderland in Palmer, Massachusetts. Here we are at a steampunk chess table or a game table, and what I wanted to do here, I wanted just to have a space for fun where you can kind of sit and play games or play chess or just kind of zone out with a friend. And I was thinking, like, what could this be? And I love again, this idea of pneumatic tubes and the way that you would use these kind of little capsules to send stuff. And so I came up with this idea of repurposing a door as a tabletop and creating these kind of pneumatic tube receivers to kind of play around with the chess pieces. It's not functional in terms of actually moving things around, but could be phase two. But what I was able to do with the table is this is an industrial base that was used for, I think it was a paper cutter. And along with the design, you see I have Thorndike mills here in a crater box, and that is actually from a local mill, the Thorndike Mills. They made braided rugs, and it actually, the mill shut down after about, I think, 80 years of existence, and so I really wanted to get a special piece from the mill and was able to incorporate it as a way to store games and just kind of a little bit of a storage unit. I got this beautiful chess board that is made out of stained glass, and the chess pieces are actually really interesting too in terms of what I wanted to do here. I was looking at some old clock finials that were part of the clock's design. I said, you know, those kind of look like chess pieces. And so I went online. I wanted to find someone who could turn these finials or on a lathe. And I found a master woodworker, I think he was from Romania, and he loved clock finials and said he'd be interested in making chess pieces based on clock finial designs. So every single piece here is based on a clock finial. And I don't have that spelled out here, but I'm planning to put together like a little sign that has what that is. So I think, you know, just having this as part of a repurposed chess table was important to me. And then I just recently added this kind of canopy to it. And it's funny because I wanted to have like a dome or a canopy as part of an enclosure here to kind of feel comfortable, like you're in a contained space, almost like the Dome of Silence. And I found I think it was an old chandelier as part of the lighting design. So I used that, and then I found this really beautiful copper kind of pendant light for a cover, and the light works. So we've got kind of at night when the lights are down low and you have kind of this focus light on the chessboard, it really becomes kind of a unique space.